Hello Electromakers, ready for a tiny but mighty adventure? Today we're going to be exploring, thank you Richard, the world of mini robots with the Micro MaQueen. This little dynamo might be small, but it packs a punch in with a This little dynamo might be small, but it packs a serious punch in the robotics world. So let's see what this not so legally named bot can do. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be fun and fast. Okay, so just before we start this, I must read the first line of the DFRobot product description because honestly, it is too funny. Ready? Remind, Microbit board and batteries are not included. I am Micro MaQueen, hello. My name is McQueen. I am a graphical programming robot from STEM education, which inherits playability and simple operation of Microbit. Anyway, with that out of the way, the Micro MaQueen is a small platform kit that works in tandem with a Microbit to create a small robotic system. Armed with a pair of wheels, sensors and other goodies, once put together, you can get straight to building your own miniature lightning-fast racer. Just to be clear, this kit doesn't come with a Microbit, so you'll need to source one of those separately. But hey, that's what the Electromaker Store is for. Of all the projects that you can dive into, none are quite like a miniature robotic vehicle capable of navigating its environment. There really is something truly brilliant about coding a robot to move itself around while simultaneously providing wireless commands and reacting to things in real time. But what makes this kit really awesome is that it combines everything you need in a vehicle platform for a Microbit. This eliminates the tricky nature of building miniature robots from scratch, which can involve all kinds of nasty such as 3D printing, soldering, cutting, sawing, sanding. You know, it's really amazing just how much tech has changed everyday life. As a kid, I had to go without many things, including 3D printers, welders, and Sky TV. The Microbit McQueen, which is stupidly adorable and small, comes with two motors, each controlling its own wheel, a 3-bay AAA battery holder, which you definitely don't see every day, and a front ultrasonic sensor. Additionally, the Microbit McQueen also incorporates a line sensor, so you can easily get this thing to follow a line, and an IR receiver for use with IR remote controls. But wait, that's not all, as this tiny lightning but not so frightening robot also incorporates 4 RGB LEDs, extra LED lights, gravity connectors, external I2C interfaces, and 2 grayscale infrared sensors, meaning that this thing can also be used to track sources of IR light. The 2 motors that power the wheels are the tiny but famous N20s, which have extremely good torque capabilities. Being made fully in metal, the N20s will never let you down, and the onboard motor controller will ensure that they have the exact amount of current they need to work. Besides looking incredible and being an excellent thing to have on your desk, this little robot has more applications than you may realize. To start, this kit is excellent as a training platform, teaching eager minds all about the wonderful world of electronics hardware and software. Considering its size and simplicity, such kits could easily be shipped out to remote learners who could explore the wonders of coding, all while supporting some of the best free coding platforms such as Arduino and MakeCode. Another potential use of this kit is for those looking to create large robotic tournaments. For example, the line following capabilities of this robot allow it to compete in line following challenges, while the use of ultrasonic and infrared sensors could allow it to compete in unique object moving games and even sumo wrestling. Finally, this robot could also be used as the world's worst lawnmower by strapping on a servo and a large pair of kitchen scissors on the front. Or better, it could be used as an overly complicated mail system for a house, delivering mail from one room to another. Look, the point is, there are so many things you can do with a robotic platform that has room for expansion. So go on, stop being a sheep and go figure something out. The Micro MaQueen is an excellent project for those looking to create their first robot, and also want to use a programming platform that not only provides plenty of sensors and programming solutions, but can be done so easily. Furthermore, as the building of this project is fairly simple, anyone can get their robot up and running in less than an hour. And even if you don't need a robot, well, just having it as a desk ornament is well justified. I mean, look at that PCB. That PCB, honestly guys, well done. Anyway, if you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then push the like button, robot the subscribe button, and head over to the Electromaker Store where you can get this little bot and all the other things you'll ever need for your next project, except a lawsuit. This is Robin Mitchell, signing off.